Hey budget phone fans, listen up. Honor just dropped the X70i today, a $200 beast with a 108 MP camera and a Dimensity 7025 Ultra chip. It's already trending as the budget photography champ. Let's dive into why this phone's blowing up. For just $200, you're getting flagship level camera power, smooth performance, and a massive battery that won't quit. Is the Honor X70i the best budget phone of 2025? Stick around to find out. Let's start with the star of the show, that 108 MP main camera with an f1.75 aperture. This thing captures insane detail from vibrant landscapes to crisp night shots thanks to pixel binning tech that rivals pricier phones like the Vivo V25 Pro. Early X posts are raving about its clarity, and for $200, it's a steal for photography buffs. Under the hood, the MediaTek Dimensity 7025 Ultra chipset keeps things snappy. With two Cortex A78 cores at 2.5 GHz and an IMG BXM A256 GPU, it handles PUBG, social media, and multitasking like a champ. Paired up with 12 GB RAM and 512 GB storage, this phone's ready for anything. The 6.7-inch FHD Plus AMO LED display is a stunner. 120Hz refresh rate, 3500 nits peak brightness, and 10-bit colors make everything pop, from Netflix to Instagram. Plus, it's got an IP65 rating, so splashes and dust, no problem. Battery life, a massive 6000 mAh cell keeps you going for days, and 35-watt fast charging gets you juiced up quick. At 7.29mm thin and 178.5 grams, it's sleek, stylish, and comes in 4 colors: magnolia purple, moon shadow white, velvet black, and sky blue. Why is the X70i trending? At $190 for the 8GB and 256GB model, it undercuts rivals like the Realme Narzo 70 Pro and the iQOO Z9 while offering a better camera and battery. It's a tweaked version of the global Honor 400 Lite, but with a bigger 6000 mAh battery and a single 108 MP lens optimized for budget shooters. Running Magic OS 9.0 on Android 15, it's future-proof with AI features like instant photo capture. Tech fans on X are calling it a budget photography beast, and with a starting price of 1,399 yuan, around $190, it's hard to argue. Compared to the Honor 400 Lite's dual camera, the X70i single 108 MP setup prioritizes quality over quantity, perfect for social media creators. The Honor X70i is out now in China, with global markets likely next. Want to grab one or stay updated? Check the links in the description for the latest deals. Subscribe and hit that bell to catch more budget tech drops like this. Is the Honor X70i your next phone? Let me know in the comments. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.